Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is simply restart your WhatsApp application. To do that, access recent apps on your device and close it from there. After that, go to the App Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If it isn't, update it and see if the problem is solved. If the problem persists, you can check whether WhatsApp servers are working or not. For that, open any preferred browser, search for WhatsApp Down Detector, and open the website. You can see that there were no major server problems, so it might be your device that's causing the error. The last thing you can do is reinstall WhatsApp. To do that, long press on WhatsApp icon at the home screen and select Remove App. Then go to App Store and install it again. And that's how you can fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.